Hello, today we will guide you through how to share notebooks publicly in Notebooklm. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to make a notebook publicly accessible and then copy the shareable link so you can send it to others. This is a simple process, but it helps to know exactly where to look in the interface, especially if you're using Notebooklm for the first time. To begin, open Notebooklm in your browser. Once the site loads, you'll be taken to the main Notebooklm area where your notebooks and projects are displayed. From here, choose a sample project to open. This step takes you into a notebook so you can adjust its sharing settings. If you have multiple notebooks available, just select the one you want to share publicly. After the notebook opens, move your attention to the top right area of the screen. You're looking for the Share option. This is where Notebooklm keeps the controls for who can access your notebook. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to fully load, and then check that upper right corner again. Once you find it, click Share. This opens the sharing panel where you can manage access for the notebook. Inside that panel, look for the Notebook Access setting. This option determines whether the notebook is private, restricted, or available more broadly. Select Notebook Access and then choose Public. Setting the notebook to public means anyone with the link will be able to access it. So this is the key step that changes the notebook from limited access to openly shareable. Before continuing, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're comfortable with the notebook being publicly available. After that setting is updated, click Copy Link. This copies the public link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need, such as in a message, document, or team chat. If you want to verify that the sharing worked correctly, you can paste the link into a new browser tab and check that it opens as expected. And that's it. You've successfully made your Notebooklm notebook public and copied the link for sharing. As a final tip, if you ever want to stop public access later, you can return to the same Share menu, open Notebook Access, and change the visibility setting again. Thanks for following along, and that's how to share notebooks publicly in Notebooklm.